How to remove background in CapCut PC. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. So yeah, let's get started. Well, first of all, you want to search for CapCut and then simply open up the actual CapCut video editor. That's where you will be brought in here. Now here you simply have to drag a video of your own or anything from the library in here, and then you can actually start removing the background. Now how can I actually do this? Well, on the right it says video and then basic and then cutout. You simply want to enable this, then you see this, like the cutout is being applied. So you will just have to wait for this to be done, and once it is actually done, yeah, your subject is cut out. Now as you can see, this works pretty well, and that is because the background was already black. Now I already have this one over here as well. This one should be pretty easy as well, because the subject is very easy to differentiate from the background, since the background is very blurry and this is very sharp. So simply enable it just like that, and there you go. I already did this before, so that's why it just did it at once. But yeah, this actually works really well, and if I play it, this is how it will look like. Now let's try another one that should be a little bit harder. For example, this one over here. I think this will be a little bit harder because it's very blurry and stuff like that, and in general it's just pretty hard to like differentiate the actual subject from the background. But let's just try it. And yeah, then I'll just already explain that sometimes your, for example, let's say you want to cut out yourself and you have a green shirt and the background is also green. Then it's, for example, pretty hard for CapCut to actually recognize which part it has to cut out. So keep that in mind, and yeah, you just got to look out for that, and yeah, plan your shot, for example, in the correct environment and such. So this is almost done, and let's see how the results are. This is actually kind of nice, but as you can see, it flickers a lot due to the blur and such. So that's what I meant with, it's actually, some scenes are not easy to do, but for example, some scenes are perfectly done. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.